Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Design Tutorials brought to you by technowatchpk.com. Today I am going to show you that how can we use width tool in Adobe Illustrator and make these kind of cool shapes. So let's get started. Create a new document of any size according to your choice, and then I am making some shapes. My fill is nil and my stroke is black with 2-point weight. Okay, now I am making some shapes. Hold down shift key and then select, hold down alt and shift key and click and drag. Hold down alt and shift key and then click and drag to create the copy of our shape. Press Ctrl D again to create one more copy and make some more shapes. Hold on shift key. I am putting this one here and also making a circle, and now it's time to use width tool which is here. Select this one, and now let me zoom in to show you clearly. Click any corner of the shape and drag inside or outside like this one, and you can create this kind of shape. Again, you can also select your shape and click on width tool. Select your shape and click on width tool, and then click on path at anywhere. Click and drag like this. You can create this kind of shape. Let me show you one more thing. I am taking copy of this one by hold down alt and shift key and then select and choose direct selection tool and click on any of this kind of point and move towards inside like this. You can see that we have again made a shape. Similarly, come to on this shape, select this and choose width tool. Let me zoom in and create a shape like this one. Here is our shape, and you can also apply on circle. You can also apply on your circle like this. Select your circle shape and then choose width tool and click at anywhere. I am clicking on top of the shape and click and drag to create this kind of shape. Not only shapes, but you can also apply width tool on open paths. Like I am choosing spiral tool and making this kind of shape, and then select your shape and choose width tool and then click and drag towards outside. You can see that we have made this kind of shape, and you can also convert this into round. Go to your stroke panel. You can also access it by going to Windows and click on stroke. Ctrl F10 is short key, and then select it and then click on this round cape icon. You can see that now our shape is rounded. If you want to make this sharp, then again select your shape and choose width tool and click on any of these 2 points and drag towards inside like this. And now you can see that our shape, we have made this sharp line. Okay, let me show you one more example. I am deleting all of these shapes and click on this point and move it downward, and then click make a ellipse tool, choose ellipse tool and make a shape of this kind of shape. Choose its fill to black. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to create a copy, and then hold on Alt and Shift key and drag towards inside. And choose its color white. Click on this, make it little bit smaller. And again press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to make its copy. Hold down Alt and Shift key and drag and make it fill it black color. And choose your pen tool by pressing P and click here and make an arc like this. Click here and make it fill nil and select your this shape which you have created with your pen tool, and then choose width tool and click here at the corner of the line at starting point of the line, and then click and drag. You can see that we have made the eyebrow of this character, and you can also make it round similarly as we did earlier by clicking on this round cape icon. And now select all of these shapes, press Ctrl G or right click and choose group. Select these, hold down Alt key and Shift key and move it toward right side to make its copy. Now select and right click and choose transform and reflect. Choose it vertical and click OK to apply. And you can see that we have made this shape. And again now I'm choosing ellipse tool and making its nose. Hold down Shift key to position your shape and make its nose like this one. Fill it in black color, and now again choose pen tool by pressing P and click here and then click here and make an arc like this and press escape key and make it fill nil, and then put it a little bit upside. And now click again on width tool and click here at center of the shape and move towards downside like this. And you can see that we have made the mouth of our character with the help of width tool like this. Okay, so that's it. That is the tutorial about how to use width tool in Adobe Illustrator CC 2017. If you want to remain updated with my upcoming videos, please subscribe. If you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.